Okay, so এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথা এটা আছে চোৱা Okay, listen first. In the expansion of a plus b whole to the power n, the rth term from the end is exactly equal to the, I have given the equal sign here, is exactly equal to the n minus r plus 2 term from the beginning. Actually, what is the meaning of this one statement? Suppose a plus b whole cube. Let us consider expansion for a plus b whole cube. So we will have a cube plus 3a square b plus thrice a b square plus b cube. In general, whenever you have to find out any term, we have to start from the left hand side. আমি হলে left hand side start করব। মফল যে find out the second term. That means we have to find out t2, which is nothing but 3a square b. কোনটো সাইডৰ পৰা তোমালোকে কাউন্ট কৰিছা? Obviously আমি left hand side পৰা কাউন্ট কৰিছো। That means from the beginning we have counted. আমি এফালৰ পৰা কাউন্ট কৰো। কিন্তু আমি right hand side পৰা কাউন্ট কৰি নাহো। Second term বুলি আমি কেতিয়াও নকওঁ। Okay, suppose you to find out a third term. Obviously, we have to start from the left hand side. First, second, third term. But remember, suppose question may arise. কেতিয়াবা এটা কোনো question arise হ'ব পাৰে. Find the third term from the end in the expansion of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube or expansion of last term পৰা third term to উলিয়াব লাগে. So that is from the observation. Generally, as the power is 3, so we will have 4 terms in the expansion of a plus b whole cube. We will have 4 terms. So আমি এখানে টার্ম দুটা লিখিছো। So from the observation you have got that the third term, okay, the third term from the beginning is the third term from the end is the second term from the beginning. Endৰ পৰা third term to first ৰ পৰা বা beginning ৰ পৰা second term হয়। আমি এটা ডাইৰেক্টলি আমি দেখিব পাৰিছো। Suppose the power is given 300. Then in that expansion how many terms you will have? 301 terms you will have. If in that case, if the question is given, find out the 15th term, but find out the 20th term from the end, তেতিয়াহলে আমি directly expansion to লিখিব নোৱাৰো। Obviously, we can really find out the expansion, no doubt, but it will take time. এই time ল'ব তোমালোকৰ। আৰু আমি expansion দেখিব পাৰিলে directly কৈ দিম স্যাৰ third endৰ পৰা third term to first ৰ পৰা second term হয়। এটা আমি কৈ দিব পাৰিম। কিন্তু যেতিয়া তোমালোকে 301 terms will be there, you cannot identify the term exactly term to identify কৰিব নোৱাৰিবা, which is 20th place from the end of the 20th term থকাটো তোমালোকে identify কৰিব নোৱাৰিবা। It is not so easy. ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং কথা তোমালোকে ক'ব পাৰা স্যাৰ a আৰু b সিম্পল থাকিলে পাৰি যাব পাৰা। মই পাৰি যাম বুলি a আৰু b সিম্পল থাকিলে পাৰি যাম। যদি মই এনেকৈ দি দিওঁ suppose x cube by y to the power 7 minus root suppose cube root of x by 4th root of y 70. এতিয়া মোক কোৱাচোন, can you identify the 20th term from the end? It's not so easy. ইমান সহজ নহয় তোমালোকে এন্ডৰ পৰা কিবা এটা উলিয়াই লোৱা। সেই কাৰণে so this is the formula which will help us to convert the term from the end to the term from the beginning. তোমালোকক যদি এন্ডৰ পৰা কোনোবা এটা টাৰ্ম উলিয়াবলৈ কয় তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি তাক বিগিনিংৰ পৰা কেনেকুৱা টাৰ্ম হয় আমি আইডেন্টিফাই কৰি লওঁ। আৰু বিগিনিংৰ পৰা কোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমি t ইউজ কৰি লিখিম। suppose বিগিনিংৰ পৰা 7 টাৰ্ম t7, 8 term from the beginning, that means T8, we can easily identify that term. So here কি কৈছে চোৱা, আমি same procedure follow কৰিলে here in this case, suppose you have to find out the third term from the end. Third term from the end of our third term. Then which term? আমি যদি beginning of our কেনেকুৱা term কওঁ তোমালোকে ক'বা n minus r plus 2 term. আমি চেক কৰিছো আমাৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো কাৰেক্ট হয় নহয়। এইটো আমি দেখি থকা বস্তু। সেইকাৰণে মই ইয়াৰ থাৰ্ড টাৰ্মটো উলিয়াম এন্ডৰ পৰা। যদি আমাক ই কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ দিয়ে দেন ইট উইল বি কনসিডার্ড এজ আ ট্ৰু স্টেটমেন্ট। ওকে, সো n minus r plus 2 term from the beginning. from the beginning. So what is the value of n here? In the expansion of a plus b whole cube ক্ষেত্রতে কৈছে n is equal to 3. What is the value of r? R is nothing but the position of the term from the end. End of পৰা কি হ'ব position ৰ নামটো বিচাৰিছে. What is the value of r here? 3. So put it here 3. So plus 3 minus 3 will be cancelled. This is nothing but what? Second term from the beginning. মানে last of our third term to beginning of our second term. And it is correct only. So we have gotten the second term from the beginning. That means in that case, we will try to find the second term. So second term is 1 plus 1. Which one is the formula? NCR, n to the power n minus r, b to the power n. Am I correct? We can easily apply that formula to find out the term. সেই কাৰণে যেতিয়া তোমালোকক এন্ডৰ পৰা কিবা এটা টাৰ্ম উলিয়াবলৈ দিব, applying this formula, we will try to find out the position of the term from the beginning. Beginning of our key position তোমালোকে identify কৰিব লাগিব. Is it clear? Just note it down, the formula. The array term from the beginning. It is generally term বিলাক simple থাকিলে হৈ যায়. If the value of a and b are little bit complicated, so it will be difficult for us to find out the position of the term exactly. তেতিয়া এই এনেকুৱা সিম্বল বিলাকৰ প্ৰয়োজন হয়. Okay, তোমালোকে মই আৰু এটা কথা কম দিবা। এফালে চোৱা। টাৰ্মটো আমি ডাইৰেক্টলি কব পাৰিম চাবা দেই। a plus b suppose 12. মই সুধিছো what is the sixth term from the end? End of our sixth term to actually beginning of our kinova term হয়. Suppose you don't have any idea about that formula. Formula বিষয়ে তোমালোকৰ আইডিয়া নাই। তোমালোকে কৈছে what is the sixth term from the end? It is one. So in that expansion, how many terms you will have? 13, 12. 12 plus 1, so 13 terms you will have. So you have to find out 6 terms from the end. 6 terms will be here. So what is the value? 13. So obviously remaining portion will contain how many terms? 7 terms. As you have to find out the 6th term, that means this term is the suppose first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. You have to find out this term. What is the position of this term from the beginning? 7 plus 8. How many terms are here? 7. 6th term is this one only. So 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8. That means 8 term from the beginning. In this way, you have to find it out. What is the total value? 13. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. That means 6 terms are there here in this group. 7 terms are there in this group. Which term you have to find it out? 6 terms from the end. That means the position of the term from the beginning will be equal to what? 7 terms exactly it is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I correct? 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So you have to find the location of this one term. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. In this also. Suppose 125. You have to find out the 16th term from the end. You have to find out how many terms? 16 terms. So in the expansion, how many terms you will have? 126 terms you will have. 126 terms you will have. Which term you have to find it out? 16 terms. So try to divide 126 into 2 parts. One is 16, then another will be 110. Okay. So what is the location of that term which lies in the 16th place from the end? 111. 110 plus 111. In this way also you can easily find it out. আমি কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম বিলাকৰ ইগলাক ফৰ্মুলা যদি পাহৰি থাকো তোমালোকে অকমান আইকিউটি ইউজ কৰি প্ৰেক্টিস অকমান ভাবিলে পাৰিবা কথাবিলাক সদায় যে ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰিবলৈ মানে কোনো কথা নাছা আমি এনেকৈ পাৰো দেখো এইবিলাক আমি এন্ট্ৰেন্স লেভেলত এইবিলাক বস্তু নুহুদে তুমি ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰিছা নাই কৰা এনি হাউ ইউ হেভ টু ফাইন্ড আউট দা আনসার ঠিক আছে সো কথাবিলাক ভাবিবা সব ঠিক আছে আমাৰ কাৰেক্টে হৈ গৈছে সো জাস্ট নোট ইট ডাউন উই আর গোইং টু ফাইন্ড আউট দা আনসার অফ এ কোয়েশ্চন আমি এটা কোয়েশ্চন আনসার উলিয়াব গৈ আছো ঠিক This is 4th root of x, 4th root of y. Okay. Here the value of a and b are little bit different, but the procedure will be remain same. Which term you have to find it out? 6th term from the end. So listen, without using the formula, can you identify the position of the term? So how many terms we will have in that expansion? 70 terms. So 6 terms from the end. So here it will be 6. It will be what? So 70. So 11 terms will be there. What is the position of the 6th term? 12. You have to find out T12 actually. Is it clear? Because 6 plus 11 is equal to 70 terms you will have. This is the position of the 6th term from the end. It is 6th term from end or pura. তোমালোকক beginning পৰা কিমান টাইম লাগে নহয় ইয়াত কিমান টাইম হৈ আছে 11 এই টাইমটো লাগে so plus 1 so 12 টাইমটো হ'ব beginning of that means you have to find out T12 so let us try to find it out first of all you have to write in a systematic way এটা systematic way লিখিবা মই ইয়াত লিখিছো দেই which term you have to find it out in the expansion of directly here you have to write it down in the expansion of 4th root of x plus 1 by 4th root of y whole to the power 16 the 6th term from the end is equal to what 16 minus 6 this statement you have to write it down it is statement likhi loba eta koibole bhalo hobo 16 minus 6 plus 12 term from the beginning is equal to what 10 that this era dekhchane ami yaru 12 e palo 12 term from the beginning এটা মহাই দিছো দেই so now we are going to find out the which term T12 means তোমালোকে জানা নাই এটা r plus 1 system ত লিখিব লাগে so it will be 11 plus 1 correct so what is the expression NCR n means 16C11 a to the power 16 minus 11 b to the power 11 what is the value of a 4th root of x 1 by 4th root of y so listen it is known to you 16C11 is exactly equal to 16C5 am I correct two value উলিয়াবলে ইজি হয় এটো ইজি হ'ব কেনে গম পালা 16 ৰ পৰা ডিক্ৰিজিং কৰা তোমালোকে পাঁচটা নামে লিখিব লাগিব ইয়াত কেনে লিখিব লাগিব 11 টা লিখিব লাগিব so obviously it will be easier for us মই কোনটো ফৰ্মুলা এপ্লাই কৰিছো NCR is equal to NC n minus r ফৰ্মুলা এপ্লাই কৰিছো so r ইনটু পাৰিবা এটো কিমান হ'ব 16 minus 11 5 so 4th root of x means what x to the power 1/4 ঠিক আছে ইয়াৰ পাৱাৰ কিমান আছে 5 so ইয়াৰ পাৱাৰ 5 হলে কিমান হ'ব 5/4 হৈ যাব so directly লিখিবা এবিলাক তোমালোকে জানা obviously মই ইনে কৈ দিছো so what is the value x to the power 5/4 and what will be the value of this one expression এর মই এনেকে লিখিলে ভুল হ'ব নেকি ঠিকে লিখছো না বাস ঠিকে লিখছো ভালকে বাৰ চোৱা মই এক্সপ্লেইন কৰি দিছো এবাৰ চাই লোৱা 1 by y to the power 1/4 because 4th root of y means y to the power 1/4 what is the power it is already there 11 is the power of 1 as well as 11 is the power of y 1 of power যিমানে থাকিলে 1 এ হ'ব but you have to multiply 1/4 by 11 1/4 by 11 বুলি ক'লে কিমান হ'ব 11/4 হৈ যাব ঠিক আছে I think it is known to you 1 by x to the power n can be written as x to the power minus n so applying that property of indices you have to write down y to the power minus 11/4 so this is the simplest form and try to find out the value of 11C5 value get answer just go to the steps it will be easier for you